Good evening, my students, friends and followers. আজ আমরা যে ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়াল অটোমেশন অ্যান্ড কন্ট্রোল সিস্টেমের উপরে যে তিনটে পার্ট RLC, ELC অ্যান্ড PLC, অলরেডি RLC আমরা রিলে লজিক কন্ট্রোল part 72, 73 and 74 already YouTube posted. Today আজ আমরা ELC এর উপরে আলোচনা করব, ইলেকট্রনিক্স লজিক কন্ট্রোল। তাহলে শুরু করা যাক। এটার আজকে আমরা ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়াল অটোমেশন অ্যান্ড কন্ট্রোলের উপরে আমরা ইলেকট্রনিক্স লজিক কন্ট্রোলের উপরে আমরা আলোচনা করব। পার্ট 75, ইলেকট্রিক্যাল অ্যান্ড ইলেকট্রনিক্স কম্বাইন্ড প্র্যাকটিক্যাল, ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়াল অটোমেশন মোশন অ্যান্ড কন্ট্রোল। Here industrial automation and control, mainly PLC control, programmable logic control. Here relay logic control and ELC, then PLC. Already relay logic control already posted here, 72 and 73 and 74 posted in YouTube. Today, now ELC, electronic logic control. Now discuss electronics logic control. It's widely applied for input output control through electronics operation by function, position, control, timing, counting and principles of operation, various at a time through electronics components as logic gate. This 0, negative or 1, yeah, positive bit are digited are interact to create those accurate function. Here electronics components here as like transistors, processor, ICs. Here various type of a gate. Here NOT gate. Here input and output. Here NOT gate. Yeah, X out. Here up bit, out on bit, on bit, out of bit. Here similar another gate, yeah, AND gate. Here input, here 2 and output 1. Here input as XY, the out up bit, up bit, up bit. Here up bit means negative, negative, negative. Electronically the input, the signal of negative, the up bit called up bit in and out is up. Here up bit, on bit, up bit, up bit, on bit, on bit, up bit, up bit, on bit, on bit, on bit. Here number 3, OR gate. OR gate here, OR gate here, OR gate here, 2 input here and output 1, X, Y and out. 2 gates, input gates and out 1 here. Up bit, up bit, up bit, out. On bit, up bit, on bit. Here up bit, on beat. Here on beat, out. Similar here, off beat, on beat, on beat, off beat, on beat, on beat. Here the OR gate and AND gate. Various type of gates here. NOR gate, NAND gate, XOR or XOR, XNOR, etc. Here is a system of electronically to get bit. This is a logically get input systems here. The logic control systems here. Here input here, logic and output. Various switches, pushes, code generators, etc. These are input here. These are devices, input devices here. Systems, the power supply here. And these are logic and the various ICs and processors, etc. And output is the electromechanical components as contactors, hydraulic solenoids, valves, etc. The logic control working as per input signals from numbers of devices as sensors, switches, etc. Converting as PLC logic. The CPU interpreting the program logic. Responds to various input instructions as signal, sends to output modules as electromechanical systems as valves, actuators, motors and various devices, etc. Here the conditions, arithmetic logic, sequential logic and relay logics. This is a ELC, electronic logic control. ELC data process with input and processor are signals sent to output. Here is a electronic ELC, electronic logic control, ELC. Thanks students.